Like before that, I have got most of the mail. Just a sec, I'll present. Yes, you all can screen my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So most of them send me like a screenshot itself yesterday. Okay, but it's okay. I have only got from one guy, that is Jayanandan, right? Jaya, Jayanandan, yes. Okay. So I have only got one published asset here, like yesterday's, and the axe has also published. Like all other, I have got screenshot, neither max file. So what I'll suggest you is, at any cost, today you have to submit your work, because today will be your last session. It will be Eon XR and Raptor mini project that you have to handle and submit by tomorrow. Okay, that will be your final project, mini project, I'll say. So we'll be using the same model, the ancient signboard we have created like earlier, like past 3 days we were creating ancient signboard, and we were doing that like unwrapping, texturing and all. So that will be your final assignment. Okay, so today's work, at any cost you have to publish to create, I mean, Eon XR. Okay, otherwise it won't be calculated as a assignment. Okay, it's must, it is important, so keep that in mind, and we can start our review session. Okay, okay, so we'll start with Spandan. Okay, this is, I think, like yesterday's assignment, I guess. I'm not gonna validate that. Now, November 11, Jeevan Nayak, assignment 4, it says. Let's see if you have textured it or not. No, no, Trilok. This is also unwrapping part, right? It is also not textured. Now it is assignment 4, unwrap and texture. Okay. So we'll start from here. Hmm. This is wood. Okay. And this will be metal. What's your name again? Spandan, right? Okay. So Spandan, here and this to rotate the UVs, then it will get fixed. But this part is really looking bad. So you have to texture, you have to untap, you have to select in this part, Control A. I'll select all the wooden planks. Okay. Now I'll apply UV. What is this? I think some overlapped issue is here. Okay. I think while copying, you have created it one more here. Delete that. Just arrange this properly. Now, for the randomness, I have told you to keep one like this and one like this. Still, I think you haven't followed the same thing. Okay. So either it should be vertical or it should be horizontal, then it will look good. I'll just show a small correction here. Okay. Turn on the texture. Let's see which is this part. This is this part. I think you have splitted this to two. Now peel it again. Now it looks like this. Rotate 90-degree, scale down, keep it somewhere here, double click, arrange it down a little bit. Okay. Now look the difference. Okay. So don't make your UV this smaller. Okay. And if you're following horizontal, I think this is this part. The UV is very small, that's why it's looking like that. So select this part also, peel it again, so your UVs will become bigger. Rotate it, arrange it somewhere here. Okay, now it looks fine. Okay. So Spandan, just correct your unwrap. Okay, and try to do the texturing part. Yes. What happened? Now, Nikhil, subject, texture board, you have sent me a screenshot. Same thing, Nikhil, you have to rotate the UVs and make your UVs scale it a little bit bigger. Okay. Right now it's looking because your unwrap is not that good, so you have to unwrap, just try to peel it again and arrange the UV either horizontal or vertical. Okay. Now Nikhil M. Sorry. Nikhil L. Okay. This part is looking good. Locally, I won't support that. Just rotate your UVs and keep it in the same position how you have created this part, because this part is looking really good. Okay, so make the corrections. Okay, and for this part also, just rotate the UVs and apply texture here also. Nice attempt, Nikhil. Now Nikhil M. Okay, the same thing. You have to make your UVs bigger. You have applied texture for the metal also. Same thing, you have to do the unwrap and you have to rotate the UVs accordingly, either vertical or horizontal. Like select all the wooden planks and rotate your UVs to 90-degree and don't make it overlap and make it a little bit, not a little bit, try making it bigger. Okay. Now Mithun. Mithun, something wrong I can feel about this. This part and the holder part is looking like natural. It's looking good. Like you have picked a texture with the rest and also it's looking good, looking like an ancient one. But this one I won't allow because you have to you have to rotate the UVs and you have to correct it. Okay. So your attempt was good. You have kept everything in vertical manner, so that's why it's looking like that. So keep it horizontally or vertically according to the texture. Because I want the lines to be like this, not like a ring type of. I want it to be like this. So change that, then it will look good. Nice attempt. Now Jayananthan, okay, yours is already in XR. Okay, okay, who's this? Sonal P. Okay. Sonal, it's looking good. Okay, you have did it properly, except one thing you have missed, but it's fine. Still make this a little bit random. I think you have rotated it, but try to flip it to this side or this side and you can try. Okay, you did that, I guess. Yes. This is the opposite side. This is the opposite side. Okay, Sonal, it's a nice work. Well done. Okay. Mohan Kumar. Mohan, the same issue. The metal, this model you have to correct. You have to drag a little bit here, and this part you have to correct. I think that day I already told you to do that. Okay. Just try to rearrange it, and the texture looks scaled. It looks stretched. Okay. So for this part, you don't have to do anything. Just rotate the UV to 90-degree and make it horizontally or vertically, like how the lines are coming, like the line should be here. Okay. Like I'll take Mohan's, Sonal's as an example. See, you can see the pattern like this, right? Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay. Then it will look good. Okay, try arranging the model first, then do the texturing part. That is done. Now, Kiran, I think you have sent me an error. Okay, that error is because the textures are saved in your system, right? So it won't be taking that. So what I'll do is I'll select these two parts. Now I will select the path, browse. Now I will choose my path here. Okay, still it's showing the same problem. MIT day 6 texture. Now I will just use the path. Okay. Now still the file is missing, so you have to reapply the texture. So yesterday, actually, I missed to mention one part. Mainly for the texture, always use JPEG file. JPEG file is the only file that will support by Ion XR. Because of the texture problem only, the texture format only, we were getting that error yesterday. When I applied a dark texture here, like you saw that already, I guess, yes. So when I applied the dark texture here in 3ds Max, it was looking perfect. In Eon XR, it was looking a little bit dull because my texture format was in TIFF file. So you have to convert that file to JPEG whenever you are applying a texture. The JPEG is the only file which will be supported by Eon XR and PNG also. So I suggest you to use JPEG only. So you can do this like online image converter. Okay, just type this and search. Now you got image convert to JPEG. Go to this site. Okay, I will send this link to you. That will be helpful for you guys. Okay, Control V. Now I've sent that site. So every time you are downloading a texture from texture.com, just convert it. Now I'm just converting it. Anything like this one itself, I will select. I just dragged it and I just copied here. Okay. So it's already in JPEG. So that's why it's showing JPEG. Now start the conversion. Now processing. Now finished. Now you can download. Now you can download your boot, or it will be automatically downloaded. I will show you once again. I went to, sorry, I will open this in a new, like I have already signed in here. I will type wood or anything. Now I have selected this texture. I opened it. Now I downloaded this file. Okay, it's getting downloaded. Now go to your converting file, this part. Now go back, your home converter. Now I'll go to downloads. This is a texture which is in TIFF format. Okay. Now you can drag and drop this file here and start the conversion. Sorry. Now you can see that wooden plank is converted to JPG. Okay. Now it got automatically downloaded here. See. So now it is in JPG format 1024 1024. So always convert your file to this, then only it will okay. So we were validating this. Okay. For just wood, I will show you. My 3D16 texture. I will select wood, open. Now the wooden texture is applied here. Okay. So this part is looking good. This also, and this part you have to rotate. Okay. This part you have to rotate. And still here, this part looks good. It's fine. I think you have selected some other texture. Okay. The texture set, that image only, or convert your image to JPEG format. Okay, so it is in group, ungroup. I will select this. Let it be like this, and this. Unwrap, go down. Now I can see. Now these these parts are looking really good. Like this and this. Now open it. angle snap on, rotate it to 90-degree, keep it here. So this and all should be properly in 90-degree only. Maintain the 90-degree always. Now select all this, keep it here and select this, keep it here. Now it will look good. You can see the difference. So just do that and so okay Mohan, it was a good work. Nice attempt. Now Kiran, Kiran, it's looking nice. Okay, texture wise, it is good. You have maintained everything like that only. I have followed the stuff. It's looking good. Make this part smaller. According to this, it should be smaller. It's look like a very big brick kind of thing. So just reduce the size and keep it there only. And metal is also looking good. And we have picked a wooden texture, which is really looking nice. Okay, nice work, Kiran. Keep it
Thank
on.
you, sir.
Now, Rajesh, it's not looking that great because you have picked the wrong. Sorry. So you have picked the wrong texture, I guess. Yes, you have picked the wrong texture. So just use the texture which I have sent you or find something similar to that. This is a wooden plank kind of texture, so that's why it's looking like a man-made. Okay, like this is not looking like a ancient signboard. It's looking like a what you'll say, like a modern interior design kind of signboard for the shops. And also pick the texture like that. Some cuts and some wear and tear, I'll say. So pick the texture and change the texture. Model wise, it's looking fine. Okay. So change the texture. Find something similar to what I have shown you yesterday, or use the same one which I have sent you in WhatsApp. Now, the texture, I don't know why is it looking like that, but it's not because of the UV, it's because of the texture only. It's fine, but change the texture and pick something similar to what I have shown you yesterday. The unwrapping, I think it's good. It's not stretched that much from any side. Okay. So change the texture and try to match the pattern, which will be in horizontal lines. Okay, Pankaj. So nice attempt. It was Shabrish. Shabrish, what happened to your viewport? It's looking really dark. Now let's see how it looks here. What is that? So this is wood. The otherwise you will face some laggy issues. See, this is what I said. Your texture, you have to keep it material no so leave it. I'm not going to change any further. Yes, this problem I was saying, uh, it should be vertical, not vertical, it should be horizontal. And this part I can see it's completely stretched, this part. So unwrap this part again, okay? And this here also some problem I can see. Yes, the UV is stretched. So you have to correct the unwrapping part and use the texture which I have provided you or find something similar to that. Okay. So Shabrish, do the changes. Now Bhavit, send me a screenshot. Okay, texture wise and appearance wise, it's looking fine, but model wise, it's not that great. Just this like in previous session. So reduce this size and try to make this a little bit bigger. And texturing is fine. I will say it's not stretchy. And here, except these three, I can find randomness in here. So try to rotate this part, okay, either vertical or horizontal. And this part is looking fine. This also okay. Nice attempt, Bhavit. Just a sec, guys. Okay, Patel Adarsh. Texturing is not that good. UVs are stretched. Only the metal parts is looking fine to me, and the wooden this much is not good. This much still okay, okay. You can rotate the UV and you can like adjust that. This part you have to do the unwrapping again because it's not looking good. UV is small and stretching, so try to unwrap it again. Then it will get fixed and rotate the UVs of this part. Okay, try that. Then same thing. Try to pick some other texture because this is a because ours is an ancient kind of sand, so you have to use something similar which I have shown you yesterday. Okay, Jeevan, even texture look okay for the wood, but rotate the UVs and make the randomness in here. Like rotate one here, one here, one like this, one like this. So do that and rotate the UVs to 90 degree for all of this. Okay, and apply the texture here also. You have missed it. Sharad Chandra, yes, it's looking good, Sharad. Nice one. The UVs are not stretched. You have arranged it. You have gave the randomness. You have maintained this part. Okay. No major issues. Just make this box a little bit smaller. That's the only suggestion. Okay. And metal, I think you have applied the texture because of the screenshot. It is not visible, I guess. Yes. Okay. Sharath, nice work.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Madan, Madan, your texturing is fine, but I will say your unwrap is fine. It's not looking that stretchy, but the UVs you have to arrange properly. Just keep everything in horizontal direction so it might get fixed. Right now, it is not looking that great, the texture, but the unwrap you have did it fine. Okay, I think that's the last one. No, some others are sending me also. Okay. Now, Shabrish, I think I already verified this. Yes. Madan also is done. Now Manika is done. Actually, this part is okay, and this part also is looking fine. But what happened to the other parts? Like the only thing you have to do to follow the same thing here and here also. Okay, so you have to unwrap this part again, and apply the texture for metal also. Okay, so no comment for these two parts. It's looking nice, and that's it. Just you have to unwrap it again, Manikanta. So select these all parts and leave these parts. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Now who's this? Rahul. Rahul send me a max file. Rahul, this part looking good. This part is also fine. No issues. Just rotate the UVs of this, and this material should be applied within this. I mean, for the metal, you have to apply here also. Okay, so no major changes. Just fix this, apply metal material to this too. Okay, and rotate the UVs for this part and this part. Okay, no major changes. Nice attempt.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Rahul Kumar, again you have sent me one more. Yes, Phoebe. Shreyas, the texture looks fine. Rotate the UVs. That the only thing you have to do for this one. And I think you have missed two. Unwrap this part. Select the wooden pieces and rotate the UVs. Okay, nice attempt. Ananya. Okay, Ananya, this part is looking nice, and a little bit you have to make it cylindrical. This is not that, I mean, like a descending order or something, but it is okay. Now don't look on that. It's looking like okay, okay. And the texturing part, this part also you did it well. And rotate to this side and this two like this in one angle and this to another angle and make it a random. Now you have the same, the copy of all. So just make the randomness here, accept that everything is good. Okay, nicely done. Now Rahul, I think the same one, I guess. Yes. Shabarish also. Okay. Now we'll go to this one. This is yesterday's assignment submitted by Jayananda. Preview. Jayananda, it's looking really good. The texture wise, it is fine and it is looking nice. You have followed the closeness pattern also. Okay, that's great. Okay, we'll follow this one today. And one thing that I missed it. Okay, so just change your texture format to JPEG and upload this work again. Don't do it right now. After today's assignment, do all the corrections which I am telling you today. Okay, just do those corrections and upload it again like a project wise that I will show you today. That will be your final assignment. Okay, so now you have to do one thing, just change the texture format to JPEG or use the texture which I have sent you in the email. So do that. This is really looking nice. Nice work, Janandan. No, someone was sending me one work. Yes, Akash. Akash, your textures are, I mean, your UV is very small. Sorry. Your UV is very small. Okay, so just make your UVs bigger and try to match with the pattern which will be in horizontal mode. Now you have kept it in vertical, I guess. If your texture is like that, you can just rotate the texture also. That will also do the work. Okay, like this, uh, 1 2 and 3, I will calculate these three parts you have did nicely, except this looks like blurry because your UV is very small. Okay, just increase the size of the UV and arrange it accordingly. Nice attempt, Akash. I think I have validated this earlier. So so that's it, guys. So the reviews are like that. It's in JPG format. Okay, Jayanand, then it will be fine. Uh, it is in JPG format. Then why is it looking like that in YonXR? It is not JPEG, Jayanandan. You have to convert it again and you have to see. It is not in JPEG format. If it is in JPEG format, it will be AVR also. Okay, so convert that or use the same texture. No, so you can use the same texture which I have provided you. Okay, you can apply that and you can do the corrections. So everybody attempted really good, and some students did it really nicely. Okay, that's all for the texturing part. Texturing part is very easy. Okay, so you have to change the materials accordingly. If you want to use plastic, you have to create a plastic kind of shiny thing first, material first, then apply some black color plastic texture for that, then it look like plastic. Same for the wood, same for the metal also, gold, aluminum, steel, everything you can follow the same thing. Okay, that's all for the texturing part. Okay, so we will connect again at 11 for your review. Sorry, for our last session, that is Ion XR and Raptor. Okay, so this will be your final project. Okay, so do it very well. Okay, so we'll connect again by 11. Thank you all.